It is time once again. Motocamp time. No events, no nothing, no major travel. Just time to go camping.
Oh, there's a bra in the middle of the road. There's something you don't see every day. On to an honest-to-God moto camp. Just a dispersed campsite. No agenda aside from, filming my first impressions review of this gear, which is a separate video you'll be able to see here. Just gonna go out and have a good time with the guys. It is a spot that I have never been to. I've seen it in videos. You guys might recognize it once I get there. Also, something I'm doing on this trip that I don't very often do. I'm gonna actually cook dinner tonight. So I hope we're able to find enough firewood, because my plan involves the food that I brought. So if there isn't enough firewood, or for whatever reason we can't have a fire, which I don't know, I'm not aware of any fire bans yet, then I'm gonna be a little screwed. Still behind this idiot in front of me. I'm giving him a wide berth. I haven't tried to pass him. There's been like 3 or 4 times he's actually swerved across the double yellows into oncoming traffic to where they're having to damn near putting their cars in the ditch. He's speeding up, he's slowing down, freaking turn signal on, off. Something's going on with this guy. So I'm just trying to stay away from him. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. Neutral. Gotta time this right.
You want help?
It's mostly just sticks down there now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a cool little spot. Camp is set up. We're still camp set up, right?
Camp set up.
Now it's just time to camp, man. Because camping, I say we like I'm gonna help, but Tim does have to start the fire so we can get it down to coals, so I can actually cook dinner. And he finally gets to taste dinner that I'm going to cook for once. So honestly, I am actually a little bit excited for that, because you've cooked for us for a couple of times, and I want to show you my lack of skill. This guy, he can cook the crap out of some food in the woods, man. So, but yeah, now it's just time for fire and food and more of this type of stuff. So we have a surprise guest for the camp. Who that?
Hi.
And Starbuck.
Fortunately, she won't go for it. You'll have to go get it off the ground.
Is that enough?
Just a little reminder.
Tim with the assist. You guys have never seen me camp like... You guys have never seen me cook like this when I'm camping before.
Beer.
I haven't even had a beer yet. This is my first time meeting Starbuck in person. I'm sorry, Harley, but cutest dog of ever, I think.
Whoa. You've
Right.
met Chewbacca, though.
I have. Chewbacca is pretty awesome. Harley, I love you. Starbuck is pretty freaking cute though. So you gotta step up your game.
What? Come on, dude.
I'm not saying I'm like Gordon Ramsay or anything, but the steak and green beans is pretty good.
You're like Gordon Bond.
You're like the Gordon Fisherman. Gordon Fisherman.
I need to get some freaking yellow riding pants now. So while I still remember to do this, we have reached the, that was beer. We have reached the point in the evening where I need to stop filming.
No, that's not for you. I don't have as much room as I would like over here on this little tiny chair table, but it's better than nothing. Actually, I just like having a fire. It's not the same.
I got woken up to a bear trying to get into my tent this morning. Just growling at me and stuff.
I could have heard him snoring and didn't know what was going on over there. And then
That one. Trav's filming. But not for very long because this battery's almost dead. And I'm just going to sit here and wait for Tim to get the fire going again. And be lazy for a while on a beautiful morning. And then we're going to pack up and gear up and go ride.
I put it in her mouth.
What? Come on, dude.
Every time